Yeah, thank you. Alright, welcome to day 2, day 3. I have no idea. We're going to a place called as Mamalakandam. It's a proper forest. Forest aleda? Yeah. It's apparently a nice place. So I hope it's not too hot. I really wanted to go to Munnar and experience the fog and there, but that's not really gonna be possible. And I don't think we're gonna find fog at this time. Probably in the evening, maybe after 3 o'clock or something. So yeah, we decided to now go there, and we found this place, Mamalakandam. Actually, Ben's relatives are from there. I think his mom's relatives are over there. So yeah, that works. And yes, he's right behind me. Hey Ben. Hey Ben. Hey. So yeah, his Ben check is done. So yeah, just like the old days, man. Just like the old days. Kind of like the stretch. It's nice. The temperature might seem okay, but it's too hot because of the humidity. So yeah, that's a kind of an issue. So it's all right though. Once you're out for an adventure, temperature and everything else is not an issue. So this place is called as Mamalakandam. It's only about 24 kilometers from here. Not too far away. Not just Mamalakandam that we are going. There's another place ahead of that, and we'll go there. And then there's another place ahead of that, and we'll go there. So let's see. The plan's just gonna go on. Full. Mamalakandam boys. Yeah. 15 more kilometers. But I think coming here during monsoon would be the best time. It's all going to be lush green and of course no sun. Ooh. That's kind of nice. Ooh, isn't this nice? Oh my god, kolale. I'm sure there should be water flowing here, but right now there isn't. അല്ലേ ഇമാജിൻ ഇഫ് എൻ എലിഫന്റ് കംസ് അവരെന്ത് ചെയ്യും? ആ കൂട്ടത്തോടെ ഓടും, ചെതറി ഓടണം. ഒരെണ്ണം അങ്ങോട്ട് ഒരെണ്ണം ഇങ്ങോട്ട്. അവസാനം ആനയ്ക്ക് കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ആവും എങ്ങോട്ടാണ് പോയി. ഇതോ ഇപ്പൊ ഉണ്ടോ ഗ്രാൻഡ് മദർ അവിടെ? Okay, so apparently that's where Ben's grandparents live. So next stop we are going to Kuttumpuzha. It's 11 kilometers from here. So that was Mamalakandam. Yeah, that forest part is Mamalakandam. Hi. It's actually some kind of a river. Yep, that's the river. Yep, that's called as Kuttumpuzha. Puzha means river. So yeah, I was about to say that and we saw it. Oh my god, look at this view. The water looks blue, but it's actually green. But there it looks like blue because of the sun rays. Let's go.